Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off music in PUBG Mobile. To turn off music in PUBG Mobile, first of all, open up PUBG Mobile on your device and from the home page, tap on the little arrow button at the bottom right. And this will open up an expanded menu where you need to tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, go to the right hand side and scroll through the menu and tap on Audio and Haptics. Now, under Volume Controls, tap on the Master Box. Once you turn off the Master Box, you will be able to switch off the music from your PUBG Mobile game. This will turn off the background music, but the sound effects and other audio elements will still remain active. So that is how you easily turn off sound effect in PUBG Mobile. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile tips and tricks. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.